Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In our last session, we discussed the lesson The Little Duckling, and I told you to read the text, write, and learn the hard words. Hope you all have done the work. In today's session, we'll discuss the textbook bits. Yesterday, you have written the first bit, that is hard words, in your notebook. Today, we'll discuss the second bit, that is, who said these words and to whom? Write their names on the blanks. I'll read out the question. You guess the answer, children. Question. You need strong feet like mine. Who said this sentence to whom? The answer is Sparrow to Ducky. Sparrow said these words to Ducky. Second one. I wish I could hop like you. Who said these words to whom? The answer is Ducky said to Rabbit. Ducky said to Rabbit that I wish I could hop like you. Third one. Do you have sharp claws? Who said these words to whom? Guess the answer, children. Do you have sharp claws? The answer is Hen to Ducky. Hen said these words to Ducky. I'll read out the questions once again. Come on, give your answers, children. First one, you need strong feet like mine. The answer is Sparrow to Ducky. Second one, I wish I could hop like you. The answer is Ducky to Rabbit. Third one, do you have short claws? The answer is Hen to Ducky. Hen said these words to Ducky. Now the third bit. Find from the lesson and write the hard words of these words. Few words are given here. You have to pick out the opposite words of those from the textbook. I'll read out the question. Come on, guess your answer, children. First one, big. What is the opposite of big? Pick the word from the lesson. The opposite word, pick it from the lesson. The answer is little. Big, little. Second one, up. Opposite of up is down. Third one, stand. Opposite of stand is sit. Fourth one, weak. Opposite of weak is strong. Fifth one, short. Opposite of short is long. Sixth one, bad. Opposite of bad is good. Shall we try once again, children? First one, big. Opposite, small. Second, up. Opposite, down. Third, stand. Opposite, sit. Fourth, weak. Opposite, strong. Fifth, short. Opposite, long. Sixth, bad. Opposite, good. That's great, children. Next, fourth bit. Find names of 8 animals in the word such. Here, few alphabets are given in the table or form. You have to pick out 8 animals' names from that. It's a puzzle, children. Shall we try? First one, dolphin. 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 Second one, cat. 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 Third one, horse. 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 Fourth one, duck. 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 Fifth one, rabbit. 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 Sixth one, monkey. 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 Seventh one, tortoise. 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 And the last one, eighth one is crow. CROW, crow. Fifth bit. Fill in the correct letters to complete these words from the lesson. In each word a letter is missing. You have to write the correct alphabet and make it and form the correct word. First one, B dash A N C H. The answer is R. BRANCH, branch. Second one, S C dash A T C H. The missing letter is R. SCRATCH, scratch. Third one, S dash O R T. The missing alphabet is H. SHORT, short. Fourth one, S dash A R P. The missing alphabet is H. SHARP, sharp. Next, fifth one, CL-WS. The missing letter is A. CLAWS, that is claws. And the last one, sixth one, F-RM. And missing letter is A. FARM, form. Shall we read out the words once again, children? First one, branch. Second, scratch. Third, short. Fourth, sharp. Fifth, claws. Sixth, form. Next bit, match the words in the two columns to make sentences. Match the words in the two columns to make sentences. First one, Ducky had, the answer is D, flat feet. Second one, she wanted to hop like a rabbit. The option is A. Third one, Ducky saw a hen at the farm. The answer is B. Fourth one, Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. The answer is C. Once I'll read out. Check your answers, children. Ducky had flat feet. Second one, she wanted to hop like a rabbit. Third, Ducky saw a hen at the farm. Fourth, Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. The answers are D, A, B, C. D, A, B, C. Next bit, write in the speech bubble one sentence about each animal. Choose words from the box. In the box, words are given. Using those words, you have to frame the sentence and write in the blank. The first one is done for you, children. First one is I am a duck. So the answer is I can swim. Second one, I am a peacock. I can dance. The answer is peacock can dance, no? So the answer is I can dance. Third one, I am a horse. What the horse will do? Here duck can swim, peacock can dance and horse can run very fastly. So the answer is I can gallop. Gallop means run very fast like in the race. Fourth one, I am a sparrow. What the sparrow will do, children? Yeah, sparrow can fly. So the answer is I can fly. And the last one, fifth one answer is I am a snake. So what the snake will do, children? The snake can crawl. So the answer is I can crawl. First one answer, the duck can swim. So the answer is I can swim. Second one, I can dance. Third one, I can gallop. Fourth one, I can fly. And the last one answer is I can crawl. Next bit, rearrange the words to make sentences. Begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Rearrange the words to make sentences. Begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay, here the words are jumbled. You should arrange the words and form the correct sentence. The first one is done for you. See here, children. Ducky was going for swim A. Ducky was going for swim A. The answer is Ducky was going for a swim. So the starting letter should be capital and end the sentence with a full stop. Second one, saw a sparrow she. The answer is she saw a sparrow. She saw a sparrow. The starting letter she, S should be capital and end of the sentence you put full stop. Not she have feet strong. Did not she have feet strong? The answer is she did not have strong feet. She did not have strong feet. Starting letter S capital and end it with full stop. Last fourth one, good feet are my so flat. Good feet are my so flat. The answer is my flat feet are so good. What is the answer, children? My flat feet are so good. Okay, starting letter M should be capital and end it with a full stop. Shall we read out once again, children? First one answer is Ducky was going for a swim. Second, she saw a sparrow. Third, she did not have strong feet. And fourth one, my flat feet are so good. Now the last bit, answer these questions. I'll read out the question, children. Guess the answer. First question, where was Ducky going? I'll repeat the question. Where was Ducky going? The answer is Ducky was going for a swim. Ducky was going for a swim. Second question, what was the rabbit doing? The rabbit was hopping in the field. The answer is the rabbit was hopping in the field. Third question, where was the hen? The answer is the hen was in the farm. The hen was in the farm. Fourth question, what was Mama Duck doing? What was Mama Duck doing? The answer is Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. And the last question, name 3 animals Ducky met on the way to the pond. Name 3 animals Ducky met on the way to the pond. The answer is the 3 animals that Ducky met on the way to the pond were a sparrow, a rabbit, and a hen. What are the three animals, children? Sparrow, rabbit, and hen. So the answer is the three animals that Ducky met on the way to the pond were a sparrow, comma, a rabbit, and a hen. Okay, children. Today, your homework is write 3 bits in your notebook. That is, bit number 1, who said these words to whom? Next, opposites. Next, missing letters. Write these 3 bits in your notebook and learn them, children. See you in the next session. Bye.